Methods of cooking. Ollie, you can eat raw food, that is, without cooking. But human beings have to cook food before eating it. There are some foods like tomato, onion, cucumber, carrots, chilies that can be eaten raw. But foods like cereals, pulses, potato have to be cooked. There are different ways of cooking food. Boiling. We need water for boiling food. The food to be cooked is put in a vessel full of water. For example, potatoes, rice, dal is cooked by boiling. Frying. For frying, we need oil. Puris, chips, vada, fried fish are examples of food prepared by frying. Baking. We can make food by baking. We need a special oven to bake a cake, biscuits, or pizzas. Roasting. Food can also be made by roasting. Chapatis and papad are examples of food cooked by roasting. Steaming. To steam, we need to put water in a vessel and then keep the food at the top. Idlis, momos, modak, and dhokla are examples of food cooked by steaming. Wheat to roti or bread. Hey Ollie, let us see how chapatis or rotis are made. Farmers grow wheat in their farms. The wheat is then ground into flour. Dough is made from wheat flour. Now, a roti is rolled out. A roti is roasted. Wow! Hot rotis are ready.